Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today in this video I will show you how to fix if in your Instagram account not loading new post. That means new post not showing. When logged into your Instagram account only old posts show. Does not show recent posts of people you follow. So in this video I will show you few steps to fix this problem. You follow step by step. So let's get started how to fix. Step 1. Make sure that your app is up to date. For that go to Play Store and check it. And update if needed. If there is no update, such problems can occur. So this the first step to fix issue. After updating or even after updating if the problem is still, then go to next step. Simply press and hold on the app, and then go to App Info. Or you can access App Info in another way. Go to Phone Settings. And then go to Apps, App List according to your device settings. Here find out Instagram, and click on it. At first force stop the app. And then clear the app storage according to your device system. Remember, after clear the storages, your account will be logged out of the app. So remember the user ID and password of your Instagram account. After that again open Play Store and check app is up to date. And update if needed. Then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not solve, then go to next step. Open your Instagram account. Click on Profile icon. Click on 3 lines. Go to Settings. Click on Account. And then click on Browser Settings. Here simply clear the browsing data, that's it. And then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not solve. Follow next step. After logging into the account. Click on Instagram option. And then click on Favorite. If someone is in the favorites list, you'll see an interface like this. Here click on 3 lines. And remove all favorite person. After removing again add your favorite person. But if you don't have any favorite person in your account, then after click on Favorite, you will see an interface like this. Here click on Add Favorites. And then search by your favorite person name, and add them. After following the step you will see, the problem is resolved. New posts are refreshed automatically and displayed in front. Or you can view new posts through another system. After logging into the account, click on Instagram. And then click on Following option. Here you can see the all new posts of the people you follow. Guys, hope you understand how to fix if your Instagram account not loading new post or not showing new post. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get my update video. Thank you for watching.